Have you ever wondered how the black, viscous crude oil extracted from the ground becomes the petrol and diesel that powers our world? We're taking you inside a mega refinery to uncover this incredible transformation. It all starts with crude oil, a fossil fuel composed of various hydrocarbons. It's the lifeblood of our modern economy. Crude oil is a complex mix of hydrocarbons, differing in size and structure. This variation is key to separating it into usable products. The primary goal of refining is to break down this crude mixture and separate it into valuable fractions, like gasoline, diesel, and more. The first and most critical step is called fractional distillation. This process exploits the different boiling points of the hydrocarbons. The crude oil is first heated intensely, often exceeding 750 degrees Fahrenheit, turning it mostly into vapor. This hot vapor is then fed into the base of a massive structure called the fractional distillation column, the heart of the refinery. As the vapors rise through the tower, they cool and condense at different temperature levels. Lighter fractions rise higher, while heavier ones condense lower down. This separation yields various products, each with different uses, ready for further processing or blending. The lightest fractions, like refinery gases and naphtha, condense near the top. Naphtha is a primary component used to make petrol or gasoline. Mid-range fractions include kerosene, used for jet fuel, and diesel, which is crucial for transportation and heavy machinery. The heaviest fractions, such as heavy fuel oils, lubricating oils, and residue like asphalt, collect at the bottom of the column. Distillation alone isn't enough. To meet the high demand for petrol and diesel, these intermediate products must be further processed. Processes like cracking break down heavier, less valuable fractions into lighter, higher-demand products like gasoline components. Finally, the products undergo treating to remove impurities and are then carefully blended with additives to meet specific quality and performance standards. Through these meticulous steps, the raw crude oil is transformed into the refined fuels we rely on every day. Petrol, or gasoline, is finalized through blending different streams, primarily from naphtha and cracking units, ensuring the correct octane rating for engines. Diesel is refined from the middle distillates, with final adjustments made for cetane number and cold flow properties to ensure optimal engine performance. Mega refineries are monuments of modern engineering, enabling us to unlock the energy potential hidden within crude oil. These facilities are indispensable, providing the fuels and materials that power global transportation and industry. From a raw, black substance to high-performance fuels, the journey of crude oil is a testament to sophisticated chemical engineering. Thank you for watching.